Imagine an incredibly knowledgeable student who can recall facts and figures at lightning speed, but every once in a while, they confidently share something completely incorrect, yet it sounds entirely plausible. It is not an intentional lie, but a confident error based on their learning. This intriguing phenomenon is very similar to what we call an AI hallucination, especially important for educators to understand. An AI hallucination occurs when an artificial intelligence model, particularly a large language model, generates information that is factually incorrect, nonsensical, or deviates from reality, despite being presented as truthful and coherent. In educational settings, this means an AI could produce a convincing essay with fabricated quotes, a historical summary with invented dates, or a scientific explanation with non-existent theories. The core reason behind these hallucinations stems from how these advanced AI models learn and operate. They are trained on vast datasets of text and code, identifying statistical patterns and relationships between words. When generating responses, they are essentially predicting the next most probable word or phrase based on these patterns, rather than possessing true understanding or logical reasoning. If the training data contains biases, inaccuracies, or simply does not cover a specific topic in depth, the AI might fill in gaps with statistically plausible but factually incorrect information. This is not the AI lying, but rather confidently guessing based on its statistical model. As educators, understanding this behavior is crucial for integrating AI tools responsibly. You can address AI hallucinations by emphasizing critical evaluation skills in your students. Teach them to always fact-check information generated by AI, comparing it with reliable sources. Encourage a healthy skepticism and the use of AI as a brainstorming partner or a starting point for research, rather than a definitive source of truth. Also, guide students in crafting specific and clear prompts to minimize ambiguity, which can reduce the likelihood of the AI generating erroneous content. A fascinating insight into this phenomenon is the concept of a large language model's parametric memory. The AI does not store facts in a retrievable database like a human brain or a search engine. Instead, its knowledge is encoded within billions of parameters, representing statistical relationships learned from its training data. This makes it incredibly fluid in generating text, but also susceptible to generating plausible fictions when its internal statistical representation of a concept is incomplete or misleading. Think of it as a creative writer who can tell a compelling story, but sometimes embellishes details without realizing it is not factual. By proactively educating ourselves and our students about AI hallucinations, we can transform a potential pitfall into a powerful learning opportunity. This fosters essential digital literacy and critical thinking, empowering students to navigate the evolving landscape of information with confidence and discernment, ultimately becoming more astute learners and responsible users of technology.